Hey, Joe Taylor for Taylor's Do-It Centers and Pleasance Hardware here to welcome you into my backyard kitchen where we're going to do a little cooking on the Big Green Egg today and have a lot of fun. I have my lovely assistant, my niece Meg Taylor, and we're going to show you some fun and easy way to cook chicken wings on the Green Egg. Chicken wings. Before we start cooking those wings, we need to light the charcoal in the Big Green Egg. Now what you want to use is a good hardwood charcoal. Today we're using the Big Green Egg charcoal. And what else you need is not a fire starter cube because they're kind of painful, but the igniter. You put it down here against the charcoal. You hold it in place for about 45 seconds. You pull that off and do it on the other side of the pile of charcoal. You close the lid, come back in about 20 minutes. We'll be ready to cook chicken wings. Now that we've lighted the charcoal, we need to get air to the charcoal to get it to fire up and get really hot. So we're going to take this lid completely off the top. We're going to open the bottom completely down here and allow the airflow to come through here. Once the fire gets really hot, then we'll put the lid back on and close down the air to control the temperature.
All right, Uncle Joe, tell us about your secret wing recipe.
Okay, well, as you know, the favorite dinner at the backyard barbecue is chicken wings. And what's so great about that is chicken wings are so easy to cook on the Big Green Egg. So I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to start out with putting a rub on the wings. So at Taylor's or Pleasance Hardware, we have a great lineup of different rubs and sauces. We've got all kinds of good things there, but what I'm going to use today here is the Texas Chicken Tickler rub. Say that a few times. We're going to just put that all over these wings. We're just going to really cover them generously. Shake them up, and we're going to do it again once we put them on the Green Egg. All right, looks like the charcoal's ready, so now we're going to spread it around and put the grate on there and get cooking chicken wings. All right, Max, so now that we pull the wings off, we want to toss them lightly in a good barbecue sauce. Well, we got a lot of good sauces at Taylor's and Pleasance Hardware. Here's the Pierce's barbecue sauce, and a lot of good Ashman sauces, but our favorite is our very own Fuel Feed barbecue sauce. Good sweet flavor. I'm going to pour this in lightly, Meg.
Family recipe.
Very lightly. You just pour it around the edge, like that. I'll never like too much sauce, just lightly glazed, we could call it. Now I'm going to toss them, just really easy, just keep doing that. Start to glisten a little bit. All right, we are ready to consume, Meg. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Get your glass of wine, I'll get my cold beer, and we'll have a couple wings.
All right, Uncle Joe. So what's the big secret?
Oh, Meg, there's no secret. It's the Big Green Egg, some good seasonings, friends and family. Boy. Talking about some good eating.